everybody must be knowing anatomy of the eye, right? So I'll just draw the diagram. This is a diagram of the eye. Okay, this is a sagittal section of the eye. Here you can see this is a cornea, this is the anterior chamber, this is the iris. Here you can see the iris, and this is a white coat. Whatever you are seeing white color, that is white color is the sclera. Okay, so this is a sclera, the cornea, this is a lens. Here there is a liquid, it's like a jelly liquid, that is known as a vitreous. And here the fluid is watery, that is known as the aqueous. And this is a sclera. Underlying sclera there is one layer known as choroid, and that is a vascular layer. Innermost layer is the retina. Retina is very important for vision, and that is the innermost layer underneath the sclera. Understood? This simple diagram you should know, otherwise you will not understand what I am talking. So how the image is formed, the rays of light will come from outside, from the object, and will go through the cornea. This is a cornea. Cornea is a transparent layer. It's a transparent layer so that rays of light can go inside. Once it goes inside, it is falling on the lens. Once it is falling on the lens, again there is a refraction, and again focuses on the retina, and the image is formed here on the retina. That goes behind the optic nerve and then goes into the brain. This is a simple diagram. Now, what are the most common diseases of the after 40 years? You all should also tell me.
First,
very important.
If you can call it a disease, that change of like short-sightedness, long-sightedness.
Okay. So change of number. So change of glasses.
Change of glasses.
Especially after 40 years, you have glasses for near. Though you were having good vision for distance, but after 40 years you start having problem for near vision. Okay, so that is a problem. Why this occurs? Because the lens, which is transparent, it remains of course transparent, but the change of curvature which it takes place when the patient sees at near, that is less. Normally what happens, whenever the near objects are seen near, when the patient is seeing near, the rays of light are divergent. Once it is divergent, it falls here, and then because it is divergent, the rays of light will go behind the retina. So what the patient wants to do is bring these rays of light on the retina so that patient will see properly. So what should happen is the lens which is here should become more convex. Then only the rays of light which is there will come and focus on the retina. This is for near vision. Whenever the patient sees near, this should happen. So after 40 years, the change of curvature of the lens is reduced, and because of that patient gets glasses for near. These are the glasses plus lenses. These are biconvex. Okay? And one more reason is, here there are muscles. Here ciliary muscles होते हैं. That helps in changing the curvature of the lens. That is also become less. It is not the strength is reduced of the ciliary muscle. So once the strength of the muscle, all the muscle strength is reduced after 40 years. So similarly here also strength of the muscle is reduced, and because of that the convexity is also reduced, and because of that the near vision is reduced. The rays of light will focus here. So for focusing at the retina, the lens has to become more curved, which the patient cannot do this because of lack of ciliary muscle strength, and because of changes in the lens. These are the reasons. Okay? You understood this?
Yes.
Now tell me another disease. उससे भी ज़्यादा common कौन सा है? So now what is, you want to know what is cataract? See, the rays of light will go transparent cornea, through that it will go transparent lens, again it will go, this vitreous is also transparent, it will go and focus on the retina. That's a normal image formation. Now suppose this lens which is clear, instead of that it becomes little opaque. It becomes opaque. The transparency of the lens is reduced. You understood, no, this? The transparency of the lens is reduced, and because of that the image which is seen is blurred, and that blurred, it's a blurred image, and that is known as cataract. You understood this cataract? What is cataract? Okay. You just ask CD. Now, why nowadays in India we are getting most common disease cataract, very common. After 40 years also people are getting cataract. Before so many years people used to get after 70 years, 80 years, कभी कभी 90 years तो किसी को cataract होता नहीं था, लेकिन अभी क्यों होता है? What is the reason? Diet is very important. Diet is very important. And
Giving ultraviolet.
because of ultraviolet TV नहीं, main important क्या है कि because of pollution in the universe, the ozone layer जो है that is reduced, and because of that direct from the sunlight, UV light comes directly on the earth, so that falls on the eye, and that is the reason we all should start wearing UV block goggles. इंडिया में कोई तो देखा है अपने गॉगल्स ऐसा पहनते हुए? वेरी रेयरली. स्टाइल में पहनते हैं, दैट इज डिफरेंट. फॉर प्रोटेक्शन वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर वेयरिंग, बट इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज इफ यू सी एवरीबडी इज वेयरिंग गॉगल्स. इधर लोग पहनेंगे लेकिन नॉट यूवी ब्लॉक, ऐसे ही रास्ते में जो मिलता है ना वो पहनते हैं. या वेयर बराबर है, बट इधर भी तो है ना अभी प्रॉब्लम. Ozone layer is reduced, because of that UV rays are falling here. Here cataract is more common in India than abroad. Yeah, very very important it is to prevent. Of course, in all optical shop if you go, you just tell them UV block. Yeah.
You get this reading lenses also, no? Where they become dark in the sun. Are they UV?
They are different. They are photosensitive.
Yeah, but they are not blocking the...
No. They are different. They are known as a photosensitive. Okay. So, for prevention of the cataract, what you are going to do?
First and foremost, protect against ultraviolet.
So, UV block goggles. Diet में you are going to take leafy vegetables, fruits, yellow fruits, carrots, and in one article I had read, in Ayurveda they say कि you should eat lasun, that garlic. Garlic is supposed to be very good. If your cataract is going to occur at the age of 50 years, it can postpone 60, 70 years. And buttermilk, lasun and buttermilk is very good. But I cannot tell you that if you are going to have buttermilk and lasun, you are not going to have cataract. But it is found that those who are having buttermilk and lasun, their cataract is, it is postponed. Raw lasun. Nowadays raw lasun is also good for our heart also. So you should eat. Very good.
What about antioxidants?
But antioxidants are of course good, but more common, good for retina. Good for retina. What is antioxidant? Which are the things from which you get anti? Yeah, but which are the things?
Vitamin A, C, E and selenium.
That is selenium and zinc is very good for retina.
I mean garlic. and Modiya.
And all the dried nuts, all that akhroot and all that has got selenium and antioxidant also.
For those who do not have kanda lasun,
तो ड्राई नट्स खाओ ना,
dry nuts.
वो तो खा सकते हैं ना. So cataract you have to prevent if you can, you should do that. Start the series.
जब ये बात करना चालू करोगे तभी आप लेगा.
Glaucoma is there is a age-related macular degeneration. But this is a viral and bacterial. Dilated capillary.